Intention and Sincerity 8. I read a news article a while ago, which I wanted to briefly discuss. It reported on how a celebrity was standing up for women's rights. Undoubtedly, it is a good cause, as honoring women has been taught by Islam, even though some Muslims fail to act on these teachings. The thing that came to mind is that many people have come and gone who have stood up for some sort of cause, whether it was to do with women's rights, human rights, the poor, or something else. Yet only a small % of these people had a positive impact on society. The majority had no positive effect, and instead became footnotes in history. One of the reasons for this is a lack of sincerity. If one turns the pages of history, they will observe that those who acted with the correct intention, meaning to truly benefit society without any ulterior motives, were granted success, even if they were not Muslims. Benefit to others is something Allah, the Exalted, loves, and He therefore grants success to all those who sincerely strive for this end. Those who did not achieve a positive effect on society lacked this good intention, as they desired something else, such as fame. In most cases, their bad intention is quite evident, as their words and actions clearly contradict each other. For example, some claim to stand up for the rights of women, then happily take part in advertising campaigns which show women to be nothing except ornaments to be gawked at. If their actions supported their claims, they would have instead taught the advertising companies that a woman's intelligence, good character, and inner strength are what should be displayed to the world through their advertising campaigns. Many of these people who claim to stand up for different causes are in a position of political and social influence, and they possess much wealth, yet their positive influence on society is minimal and very short-lived. On the other hand, those who may not have possessed such influence changed the attitude of millions through their sincerity. They only desired to benefit society. They did not seek anything else. Because of their sincerity, their positive influence and remembrance endured long after they departed this world, whereas those whose intention was corrupt were quickly forgotten even while they were still alive. So if one desires to succeed in the material world, or more importantly, in matters of faith, they should strive to correct their intention. It is why the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, advised that Allah, the Exalted, judges people based on their intention. This is confirmed in a narration found in Sahih Bukhari, number 1.